Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming connectivity and sufficient battery, so streaming won't drop. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open Control Center by swiping down from the top right on Face ID models. Swipe up on older models. Make sure the app or receiving device supports AirPlay or screen mirroring. This compatibility matters because it determines whether you'll see the correct target in the list. Tap the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon to reveal available devices and move to selection. You now choose the device you want to share to. Select its exact name in the AirPlay list to avoid sending content to the wrong screen. If the receiver shows a 4-digit code, enter it on your iPhone. This step prevents accidental connections. For specific apps like games or meeting software, select Start Broadcast when prompted so the app can capture your screen. Keep the phone unlocked during setup, and once the connection is active, you'll see a red or blue status bar indicating live sharing. To finish, go back to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or open the app and choose End Broadcast. This cleanly stops all streams and frees system resources. If the target device disappears or the image stutters, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled, then toggle them or reboot both devices. Simple restarts often fix transient network issues. Finally, if problems persist, update iOS and the receiving app. Compatibility bugs are a common culprit, and updating usually.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.